like to thank my husband for driving me there. Thank you. Show you what's inside this bag. So first, I'm going to take out this one. This is coffee beans, ready coffee, premium blend, 3-in-1 coffee. Next up, I'm going to show you this Paradise blend. This is their herbal infusion kind of tea. Then we have passion fruit. This is their iced tea. Next, we have another drink. This is the Orchard Peach iced tea. And we've got 2 chocolates. These are dark chocolates. And next, we have a cafe Americano. Lovely. And we have mango bites. This is good. And we have another tea, the Pacific Coast iced tea. And I guess that's about it. Thank you, Coffee Bean.